guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are not playing Roblox, but we are just looking at my account. Yeah, but guys, a quick question. This is not about the video, but it's about another video. This is not really my animation, guys. I just copied the animation to to make a little movie, you know, like a little movie. So make sure there's two parts. It's like a short last guess. It's like a short last guess show. That's all it is. So it's a part 1, part 2. The part 1's like 2 minutes and 6 seconds long, and the part 2 is 5 minutes 11 seconds long. So so make sure to watch that. It's really cool. But let's not just talk about other stuff. We just gotta get in the video. So first, we gotta go to profile. So, oh, why does this look so different? Like, this looks so different. Like, this is not. Let's see. This is weird. What is this anyway? I just click on my Oh, that was strange. Like, I just go to my profile. Oh, that's weird. But let's just get to this. I have 89 friends, guys. It's a lot of friends, guys. Does one of you, like, some of you, I know, guys, if you're watching this, I can't accept too many friend requests because I'm trying to make room for other people. Yeah. I have 11 followers and 15 following. Like, I can't. So, I have new groups now. Like, I have Murder Mystery group, and I have a Stylist Studios, whatever it's called. Bad Dimo, I think, and the Jedi Order. If I get the Jedi Order, I can play as the Jedi in the game. So, I have a lot of favorites. I have Nightmare Fighters, but we're going to look at the inventory most. So, the inventory, we have the Ninja Mask. We have a Violet Guardia. We have 2018 headphones. And we have Oblivious Spy Cap. And you have Umber Horns and other stuff. So, the reason I got this, I got a Roblox toy. And I used a scratch code. And I got this item. So, now animations, like, it doesn't show the animations. Library, maybe they'll develop, that's on develop. So, that is pretty strange. I do not. So, now we're gonna go to audio. Nothing really playing there. Oh, that's really loud. It's just Meddragon Thunder. Oh, avatar animations. Oh, that's different. Animations, that's different. Oh, so avatar animations, we're gonna go on the idol. Here we go. Oh my, what was that? That was so loud. Toy idol, we have the robot idol, stylish idol, super idol. So basically, I have four things I got. So badges, I have a lot of badges. That's a lot. Like Xbox Kitty, Dog Weapon, Uncle Sam Dog. I have a lot of. It goes like I have a lot of faces too. Just all my faces. Pretty cool. Yeah, I have these game passes. And I have like pretty much a lot of stuff. So all the models I have. I have like that's so loud. Could you please lower that down? Guys, that's just my bed. If you can't hear that, keeps playing music back there. Guys, so I think that no, we're not ending it there. But we're just gonna go to my avatar to look at all the stuff I have. We gotta look at all this stuff. We can't just end. So this is loading. It's like forever. It took forever. I don't know why. Okay, but never mind. Let's not just go around just doing this stuff. Just go all the way back. All the way back. No way, we went all the way back. So, guys, can you please turn that off? I hope you enjoyed this video. video. Stop. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more videos, you can subscribe to the channel. And if you want to play with me, guys, if you want to play with me, you can just send me a friend request. Only if you guys, let me say something. If you subscribe to the channel, I will pick up your friend request. How's that? Yeah, if you subscribe, we'll pick up your friend request. So see you next time. Bye.